Today I'm gonna show you how I make my barbecue chicken in the house. Now everybody know I'm a beast on that grill, but I'm gonna make a meal today. But I'm gonna show you how I make my barbecue chicken inside of my home. Now everybody have their own way of cooking, their own flavors and the way they do things. Keep in mind, when I cook the way I want to and the way I like it. First thing I do, I bring my hot water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, I add some bell pepper and onions, and I season my water very good. And I'm gonna add me a chicken bouillon cube, if I said that right, and let that break down to give it that chicken flavor. Now I add my seasoned chicken to the pot with the bell peppers, onions, seasoned water, and let that cook for about 25 minutes. All right, your chicken should be looking like this when I get ready to take it up out of the pot. I'm gonna slap these right here in the oven for about 15 minutes and let them cook. I like my food well done, so if you don't like your food well done, maybe you can go a different way. But I'm gonna put these in the oven. Then I'm gonna work on my barbecue sauce that I flavored and seasoned up. I'm gonna let that heat up. I always add a little sour cream and milk and butter to my potatoes and whip them up. Whipped potatoes with a little chives over the top. Parmesan broccoli. Once they come out the oven, your seasoned barbecue sauce, you want to hit it up. Skillet is still very hot. I'm gonna put that back in the oven for about 10 minutes while these biscuits get done. Be looking just like that when they come out. That's how you make it to make that meat fall off the bone. Always eat you some green vegetables, y'all.